Still here in the Asakusa area of Japan. Beautiful afternoon. I'm going to come down these stairs and walk along the river. We got a fisherman here with 4 rods. There's lines cast. Oh, he's pulling in his line. I don't know if he's got something on it. We'll see here in a moment. I'm thinking not. Well, you got a tiny fish, or that's his bait fish. Either way, not impressive. Well, I was just on that blue bridge. I guess it's only right if I head across this red bridge over here. Really can't make out what that is. Now it looks like a golden carrot lying on its side. I'm gonna have to look it up, get the definitive answer on what it really is. This is the view. Beautiful afternoon, December, Asakusa, Tokyo, Japan.